Welcome to Maths class children. In the previous class we have completed with our 3.5 exercise. Yes. So today we are going to start with your 3.6 exercise. In this exercise you are having story problems. Yes. In your previous exercise you have just added the numbers. Yes. You have done the addition of only simple numbers. Okay. So in this exercise you are going to have the same type of additions, but here the addition is given like a story. Yes, it is given like a story, so you have to read the story and then from there you have to pick the numbers and you have to do the addition. Okay, and one more point here, before doing the addition you have to frame the sentence also. Yes, so for the story problems you have to write the sentence, then you have to do the addition. Okay, so now we will start with the reading question. Okay, so for this one the space is not given in the term book, so we will write these problems in the classwork. Okay, so you have to be ready with your term book, classwork, pencil and eraser. Okay, so first we will read the question, then about how you have to write in the classwork and everything I will tell. Okay, see the first question is Nidhi has 24 orange biscuits and 38 chocolate biscuits. How many biscuits does she have altogether? Okay, so here they are talking, in this question they are talking about different type of biscuits a girl is having. Yes, you people like eating biscuits, chocolates, chips and everything, no? Yes, you are small children, you will like eating all this. So here the lady is also small girl and she have two different type of biscuits. So when you have two different type of eating things, what you will do, you will count, no? Suppose if your mother have given 2 chocolates and if your father have given 2 more chocolates, what you will do, you will count how many chocolates you have all together. Yes, so here Nidhi also is having 2 different type of biscuits, so she want to do, she want to count total how many biscuits she have. Okay, so here we have to do that one. How many biscuits totally she is having, we have to find. Okay, so now in the classwork how you have to write? See, first you have to write today's date. Yes, so you have, I think everyone of you know how your page will be. Yes, your page will be like this, no? So in here you have to write the date and here chapter name like this you have to write chapter 3 addition, and under that you write exercise number 3.6 and after that you leave one line, then after that you write here the story problem heading. Okay, and for this problem you have like a big question, so you will not write. Okay, instead of writing what you will do, you will just write and you will write the page number of that question. Like first question, page number is 105. So when you want to read the question, what you will do, you will open this page 105 and you will read the question. Okay, so whichever question you want, you will read the question there. Okay, so like this you have to write date, chapter number, chapter name, exercise number, leave one line, heading, then the question number. Then after that we are going to write the solution. Okay, so now we will start writing the solution. So here the first question, page number is 105. Then we will start writing the solution. So here we are finding the counting. So here they have given the counting number of the biscuits. So the sentence also we will write like that only, number of biscuits. Okay, so number of, and here they are talking about 2 different type of biscuits. So we have to mention the name of the biscuit type also. What are the types we have, that also we have to mention. Number of orange biscuits. So number of orange biscuits. So how many she have orange biscuits? She have 24 orange biscuits. So 2 here, 4 here. So number to number space also you should give. Next we have the sentence will be same, only in the place of orange biscuits we will write another type of biscuit. So what is the another type of biscuit you have? So the sentence will be number of, what is the another type of biscuit you have? That is chocolate biscuit. It is chocolate biscuits. Okay, how many chocolate biscuits are there? 3, 8, 38. Okay, see here how I have written all the equals to. My equals to are in same line and my first number, that is 10th place number also in the same line, and in my 1st place number also in the straight line. So you also when you are writing in the classwork you should maintain this. All the numbers, whatever numbers you are writing, they should be in the straight line and all the equals should come in the straight line. Okay, now we have to write the last sentence. Now about orange here I have space, but I will not keep my equals to here. I will keep under this equals to. Okay. Now you have to find how many are there total biscuits. Okay. This one. Okay. So how you have to find? I said already. So when they are asking you to find the total, you have to do the addition. Okay. What is the addition symbol? It is plus. Okay. So you have to mention plus also here. Yes. I think every one of you have practiced all the additions before. What you have? Yes. You are familiar with your additions part now. Now you have to do the addition of this one. Yes, 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4, how much it is? It is 12. So 1 is up and 2 is down. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, it is 6. So total how many biscuits are there? 62. And we have to write conclusion line also. Last line, that is called conclusion line. Thus, finally, Nidhi has total 62 biscuits. Okay, so like this you have to find. This is about your first problem. You can copy it down in your classroom. Okay, now we will see the second problem. The question is, in Sana's farm there are 11 peach trees. In Madhu's farm there are 38 peach trees. How many peach trees do they have in all? So here they are talking about the peach trees. In this question they are talking about the peach trees, but they are talking about two different persons' farmhouses. So farmhouses, here they are talking about Sana's farmhouse and Madhu's farmhouse. Okay, so in their farmhouse, how many peach trees are there? They have given, and they are asking you to find in both the farmhouses total how many peach trees are there. Okay, total number of peach trees you have to find. So here the number of will be same. Okay, only in the place of orange biscuits you have to mention peach trees. Okay, so change the question here. It is number 2. Okay, so in the place of chocolate biscuits and the counting, here you will have. Okay, so but this will be same for everything. Number of total number of will be same. Okay, so number of peach trees in Sana's farm. So here Sana's farm you have to mention. Okay, in Sana's farm how many peach trees are there? There are 11. So 11. Okay, next number of peach trees. Next whose name they have given? In Madhu's farmhouse. Yes, in Madhu's farm. Madhu's farm. So how many are there in Madhu's farm? In Madhu's farm there are 38. 3, 8, 38. Okay. So you have to find total number of peach trees. Total number of peach trees. So I said already if we have place also we will not write here. We will write under the equals. Yes. So here I have my equals to go on the straight line. Next you have to find the total number. Okay, so total means addition, so you have to mention the addition symbol also here. Okay, now 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. How many peach trees are there now? 49. So write the conclusion line. Thus, total number of peach trees are total number of peach trees in Sana's and Madhu's farm are how many? 49. So total number of peach trees how many are there? There are 49. Okay. So one more problem I will tell you children. 2 you have to do. Yes, they are very easy. Only simple thing about what they are talking. You have to just mention in the place and you have to do the addition. Okay. One more problem I will tell you. So here the third problem. Amal has 18 books. Sudhir has 49 books. What is the total number of books they have? So here also same like your second problem about Sana's and Madhu's they had spoke. No. So here they are talking about Amar books and Sudhir books. Now you have to find the total number of books they have. Okay. So here also same you have to write, change the number. And in the place of each piece you will get the books. That's all. Conclusion line also will be different little. Okay. Now third problem. Number of books with Amar we should write. Okay. Number of books with Amar. With Amar how many books are there? 18 books. So 1, 8, 18. Next about whom they are talking about Sudhir. Okay. So number of books with, in the place of Amar we will write Sudhir. Okay. Equals to should be in the same line. Okay. Now how many books Sudhir is having? He is having 49 books. So 4, 9, 49. Okay. So now you have to find the total number of books. Total number of books. Total number of books. So yeah, the equals should be under the equals to only. So now you have to find, do the addition. Okay. Now 9 plus 8. So 9 in the mind, 8 in the fingers you have to count. So you will get here 17. So 1 up and 7 down. 4 plus 1 it is 5. 5 plus 1 it is 6. Total how many books are there? There are 67 books. So write the conclusion line. Thus, total books with Amar and Sudhir. Amar and Sudhir are 67. Okay. So this is the conclusion line. Now here they have spoke about books, so we have done with the books. Okay. So now see here the fourth question. 38 men, 38 men, 25 women and 34 children visited the museum on Saturday. Okay. What was the total number of visitors on Saturday? So here the addition is of 3 sets. Okay. So this one problem I will tell you. The fifth problem I will give you homework. Okay. So this here they are talking about men, women and children of different count. They all went to the museum. Okay, on Saturday. Okay. So you have to find total how many visitors. So how many went to the museum on Saturday. You have to find. Okay. So now we will write here the fourth one. So number of will be same. So here total I am changing because here you are having 3 set of numbers. So one more number of line you will use. In the place of books we will write about men, women and children. Okay. So now see fourth question. It is also there in 105 page. Okay. So number of men. So how many men? Number of men. So equals to, we will write how many men went? 38. 38. So number of women. Next women. They are about 25. 25. Next children. They are talking about children. So number of children. Okay. So how many children are there? There are 34. Okay. So now in the last line you have to find the total number of visitors. Okay. Total number of visitors. Okay. So in here you have to do the addition. Okay. See 8 plus 5. All the 3 numbers you have to do the addition. So 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 how much you will get here? Yes. So 8 in the mind you take and 5 in the finger. So you will get here 13. 13 again you have to take in the mind and 4 again you have to count. So how much you will get here? 17. So 1 is up and 7 is down. Next 3 plus 2. Addition you can do in any way, from up to down or down to up, you will get same answer. But subtraction always you have to do from the top. Okay, I think you have learned in your first class. Addition you can do from up to down or down to up, no problem. But subtraction from top only you have to do. Okay, see now 3 plus 2 it is 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 it is 9. So how many people they went to visit the museum? Totally they went to 97 members. So now write the conclusion line. Thus totally 97 visited the museum. Yes, visited the museum on Saturday. So, how many people went to museum on Saturday? They are totally 97 members. Okay. So, this is about your exercise 3.6. 4 problems we have discussed in this class. So, last one problem is it that is very easy. That is same like your fourth problem. Okay, so 3 set of numbers you have to add. So do this fifth problem. So 3.6 fifth problem you do in class work. Okay, 3.6 fifth problem in class only. After this you can do. Okay, I think every one of you have understood this exercise. By this we have completed this exercise. I will meet you in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.